Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arun and I'm back again with another video. So today in this video, I'm discussing about the question which is GloFish Inc. has genetically engineered a specific species of fish that grows in a normal lightning conditions. The company believes the new fish will be have a huge success as a new pet option for children and adults alike. So here in this question, they have provided a tabular format which for cost of shipping glowfish, and then another table which is demand for glowfish. In the cost part, they have provided cities which is Michigan and Texas, where we have three retailers: retailer one, retailer two, and retailer three. And then their cost is there, and then we have also a table for demand which has red and blue for both retailer 1, retailer 2, as well as retailer 3. Now, in this question, we have three parts. First one says the optimal policy of fish farms. Here we need to create a Excel diagram and formulations and constraints. Then the second part requires the minimum shipping cost, which also requires the Excel formulas to determine the minimum cost for as an objective function for retailers 1, 2, and 3. And then finally, part C says how much should GloFish be willing to invest to enable the Texas farm to produce both red and blue GloFish while maintaining a maximum of 6 million total produced at the Texas farm. So this question I have solved using Excel solver. Let me go back to the solution. So this is the solution where this is a formulation sheet where I have used variables xij and yij. Then the as in the question, which is a minimization. So here this one is our expression, which is x m1 plus 2.5x m2 plus 0.5x m3, then y m1 2.5y m2 plus 0.5 y m3 plus 2.0 yt1 plus 1.50 yt2 plus 2.80 yt3. So this is the expression that I have grabbed from the question itself. Then this one is all our the constraints. So I have provided each description for the constraint here, and this one is our constraints. Then we have the part A and B here in this Excel. So this Excel uses Excel solver and Excel formulas to get out our objective. So here row number 3 is based on the constraints. They are free variables which has been defined from the solver. Then we have the xm1, 2, 3, then ym1, 2, 3, and yt1 to t2, t3. Then as per the question, we have defined our naming part here, and then this one is our answer report 1. This is the sensitivity report, and then this one is our limits report. So to get this Excel solution, you can just reach me out over my WhatsApp and email address, which I will be sharing in the description part of this video. So you can reach me out, and if you have any queries regarding this question or you need any help in another questions as well, so you can definitely reach out as well. I also provide exam help if you have any examination for these type of questions from the textbook management science. You can definitely reach me out for this as well. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like this video and have a great day. Take care. We'll talk soon. Bye.